I got my ID ready. There's real service here. Oh, I have my ID.
What's that?
I have my ID.
I don't want your ID.
But I'm proud of who I am.
What's that?
I'm proud of who I am.
Okay. I mean,
Oh, you're not very strong.
Oh.
You didn't eat two Wheaties. Oh, here you go. Really. I won't pull it out of your hand.
okay. I mean,
I won't do it again. There.
Burlington? Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything I can help you with?
$1 million?
I can't do that. All right. Well, have a nice day, sir.
McCracken.
Yep.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
The Rapid City Police Department always gets 10 stars on my rating system. You'll get 11.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Even though you couldn't pull it out of my hands.
I'm not going to pull it out of your hand. That's rude.
That's funny. I'll race you. Where are we going? What? I did it. He couldn't grab it out of my hand. He's so weak. He had little baby fingers. That's what's wrong with today's youth. They're so weak and flabby. Come over here, I will pump you up. Okay, Zaijian, Bajong. Thanks for watching.